What's the meaning of aurora borealis? Aurora borealis. Aurora borealis.
Aurora borealis. Aurora borealis. Aurora borealis refers to a natural light display that occurs in the polar regions, usually during wintertime. Also known as northern lights, it is caused by the collision of charged particles from the Sun with atoms in Earth's atmosphere. The particles excite the atoms and release energy in the form of colorful light, creating a stunning visual display in the sky. The colors typically range from green to pink to red to blue, and the patterns can vary from waves to curtains to arcs. It is a breathtaking sight that attracts tourists from all over the world.